Welcome to LFA's video on the ProCap Manual Capsule Filler. The ProCap Manual Capsule Filler is easy to use because of its simplistic design, designed with both the individual and organization's R&D departments in mind. The ProCap comes with easy to understand instructions in 10 languages, along with our how to use video. The ProCap fills capsule size 00, giving you space for approximately 735 milligrams of active ingredient of your choice per capsule, and will work with both vegetarian or regular gelatin capsules. Able to produce up to 120 capsules in just 4 minutes with no running costs, making it a fraction of the price of high output capsule fillers. It's been designed to produce consistent results and reduce waste, all down to the ProCap's construction. Made from certified food grade plastic that is BPA free, whilst easy to clean and dishwasher safe. With the ProCap you'll receive a lifetime warranty. If anything breaks or goes wrong, we'll send you a new one for free. If you'd like to see how to produce capsules with the ProCap, please see our how-to video in the description below. For more information, products and guides, please visit www.lfacapsulefillers.com.